Finding the courage to change, the cure for what ails me. I have discovered that there is a cure for what ails me, but first I have to be honest about my disease. I create my own reality, and I haven't always created great things. I've created a lot of unhappy experiences, a lot of drama, and big problems. The good news is that when I know what I don't want, I know what I do want. I want the cure. I'm ready to pay the price, whatever it is. My disease has come about because I tried to be in charge. I tried to fix others. I used anger, shame, and blame as my weapons of choice. I attacked others with my judgments, even when I kept my mouth closed. There's only one cure for my dysfunctional illness. I need to accept that I'm not in charge. I have to develop a relationship with my higher power, who I call Source, and many call God. I have to become willing to let go of my control. The price that I have to pay for my cure is a new way of life. I have to look for and use spiritual tools that help me connect with Source and stay connected. There's nothing quite like the peace and joy of being tuned in with the unconditional love that is Source energy. My daily practice has transformed from an effort that I made myself do to a gift that I allow myself to have. There is nothing more important than my connection to Source. That's the cure for what ails me. I allow my connection to something greater than myself.